friends, welcome to Radhika's teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notifications. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic is chapter is energy from the sun. This lesson is taken from the 8th class. Land and water contrast. Okay. The temperature distribution over land and on oceans are quite different. Okay, the temperature distribution is quite different on land in oceans. It will be clear if we measure the temperature on the oceans and continents. Land is a good conductor of the heat. Land is a good conductor. Good conductor of heat. The land gets heat and cool quickly, and the oceans will take time to get heat and cool. The land gets heat and cool quickly, and oceans will take time. Will take time to get heat and cool. Next one is the heat. Okay, heating of the atmosphere. Heating of the atmosphere. Okay, heating of the atmosphere. The atmosphere and the air is not heated directly by the rays of the sun. Okay, not directly by the sun rays of the sun or the sun. Okay, children. First of all, the sun first heats the earth's surface or surface of the earth. Sun first heats the surface of the earth. And next begins to radiate heat, which heats up the air around us. This means nothing but heats up the atmosphere. Second time, okay, next heats up the atmosphere. First heats the surface of the air, and next began to radiate heat, which heats up the air around us. Nothing but heats the earth's atmosphere. Okay, that's why warmer near the earth's surface, and warmer near the earth's surface than higher altitudes of the atmosphere. Okay, warmer near the earth's surface, higher altitudes. Okay, warmer near the earth's surface than higher altitudes of the earth's atmosphere. Okay, next heat balance. Heat balance. The heat earth receives from the sun is radiated back by the earth in different ways. One third is immediately reflected back into the space. Okay, one third. Immediately one third is reflected back into the space. Okay, rest. The rest heats up Earth's surface. The rest heats up and next heats the Earth's atmosphere. And next heats the Earth's atmosphere. And next radiated into the space. Radiation of the heat received from the sun is important. Okay, the entire heat is not radiated back from the earth. Okay, that the earth will be hotter and hotter. Okay, the entire heat is not radiated from the earth. What happens? The earth will be hotter and hotter. The earth will be hotter and hotter. On another hand, the earth receives less heat than gives out in radiation, be cooler and cooler. Earth receives less heat than gives out radiation. The earth will be cooler and cooler. Seems to be slightly undulating and sloping, resulting in variation in the amount of solar energy received on the land. Okay? CO2 prevent radiation of heat from the earth. Okay, CO2 prevent the radiation. CO2 prevent the radiation of heat from the earth surface. Prevent the radiation. CO2 increases in atmosphere due to increase the petrol, diesel and cutting down forest. Okay, CO2 increases in the atmosphere due to increase the use of petrol and diesel and cutting down forest. CO2 increased in the atmosphere. Okay, the less heat will be radiated on the earth's surface. That's why it causing the increases in the global temperatures. So it is known as the global warming. Okay, CO2 is increased in the atmosphere. Less heat will be radiated. Increasing in the global temperatures. It is known as the global warming. Children, this is our today's topic. Remaining topic will be discussed in the next session. Thank you, children.